Judy Carmichael. I'm so excited. And look, Andy Brown, Dan Block, and we're in Chicago. And can you hear it?
Stop, bears.
Cicadas.
Oh, yeah.
Tell them there's like super cicadas in Chicago.
17-year broods at the same time. What
One
could
flew
possibly
into
go
my
wrong?
mouth this morning.
Oh God, you're so lucky. It's like this is gonna be like a Roger Corman movie, and he's gonna turn into a cicada.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like the wasp woman.
like the fly.
He's gonna have
Jeff
it.
Goldblum.
Help
Finest
me.
hour.
You're doing it at the same time. Help me. Help me.
Gregor
Help me.
Samsa.
This is what we do when we're on the road. Okay, we're gonna go to the gig. We'll say hello from the gig. Bye, everybody. Chicago rocks.
Go Cubs.
Bye. Go Cubs.